Greetings. My name is Dr. Andrew Boring, and I'm here today to teach you some very long but very important lessons about animals. Although I have a BA, an MA, and a PhD in animal studies, I still can't cure a sick person or deliver a baby. I am knowledgeable about animals. Did you know that I am smarter than any other doctor when it comes to the study of animals? The word animal actually... Ah! Hold on. Achoo! Achoo! Ugh. Hello, boys and girls. I'm Andrew, the mad zoologist. And I love animals. I'm on a quest to find the most perfect pet. There are all sorts of animals, including a zebra, a rabbit, and a whale. Yet none are quite perfect. Darn! I have an idea. If you come along and help me find my perfect pet, I can share with you some of my most amazing facts about animals. We'll have fun. Come on! An elephant! Wow! Did you know that they're the largest land animals in the world? Elephants drink by filling their trunks with water and then spraying it into their mouths. They can use their trunks for water storage. Do you know that the elephant is the only animal that you can train to stand on its head? Isn't that neat? Is an elephant my perfect pet? He wouldn't fit in my house. Darn! Look, a giraffe! I wonder if I can make him my pet. I wonder, though, if he'll fit in my house. Do you know that giraffes are the tallest animals in the world? The males are from 15 to 20 feet. That's 4.6 to 6.1 meters. Wow! And the females are 12 to 17 feet tall, 3.6 to 5.2 meters. Wow! I guess I'd have to cut a pretty large hole in my ceiling. I don't think I'll do that. What'll I do? It's not my perfect pet. I'm gonna have to keep on looking for another animal. Darn! Snakes! I wonder if a snake could be my pet. There are over 2,700 different species of snakes in the world. Rattlesnakes can't hear their own rattles. All snakes are deaf. Just like me. Ah, well. The king cobra is the most poisonous snake in the entire world. It can kill an elephant in an instant. I don't think I want a snake for a pet. No thanks. I'm stuck. Help! Ah! Ah! Frogs! There are over 4,000 different kinds of frogs around the world. Wow! Wow! Maybe one of them can be my new pet. When frogs eat something poisonous, they throw up their stomachs through their mouth and clean it with their right front leg. And then they swallow it back. Isn't that weird? What's even more interesting, they also shed their skin regularly. They twist and they turn until their skin comes off over their head like a sweater. And then they eat it. Ew! Eels. Electric eels. Wow. Maybe this could be my perfect pet. Did you know that a full-grown eel has its heart and lungs in the first eighth of its body? While the rest makes electricity? An eel can give out a shock powerful enough to light up a whole house. And if you touch it, you won't die unless you touch it repeatedly. In that case, you might die. I don't want an electric eel. I wouldn't be able to pet it. I don't want it. Look, a crocodile. I've been searching all day and haven't found the perfect pet. Maybe this one could be my perfect pet. Crocodiles are found in the warmer parts of the world. There are many different types. They come in all different sizes. Some are only 6 feet long, or 1.8 meters. While others are over 23 feet, or 7 meters. Crocodiles are meat eaters. A crocodile swallows stones on purpose so that it'll help to grind up the food, as well as add weight so it can stay underwater. Interesting, eh? It's heavy. Let's say you're swimming and you get bitten by a crocodile. Just stab him in the eye and he'll swim away. Do I want a crocodile as my perfect pet? No, thanks. Darn mosquitoes. There are about 2,700 different types of mosquitoes all around the world. I was just recently bitten by a female mosquito. Males don't bite. They bite so that they can suck your blood. And did you know that the females are all deaf? Mosquitoes also swarm people who eat bananas. Vampire bats. Do you know that there are nearly 1,000 different kinds of bats in the world? But that only one kind feeds on blood. Vampire bats. They usually only bite large animals, such as horses, cows, and pigs. They only bite and lick the blood. They don't suck it. The only time a vampire bat would ever bite a human was if there were no animals around for it to feed on. Oh, phew, no bite. No vampire bats for me. Did you know that there are more than 500 million domestic house cats in the world? And there are about 100 different cat breeds. At birth, kittens can't see or hear. Two weeks later, their eyes open. And so do their ears. And what's even more interesting is that most white cats with blue eyes are deaf. This one's white. And it has blue eyes. I have blue eyes. It's deaf. I'm deaf. We're the same. All day long, I couldn't find my perfect pet. But this one turns out to be my perfect pet. Maybe cats aren't so bad after all. I think I'll call him Andrew.